Hobbs and Roger, thank you guys so much for the shout outs and the delicious recipes.
Truck driver Linda.
Truck driver Paul here, I guess.
We hope that everybody has had a super fantastic holiday season. We're into the new year. Lots of resolutions. We have the same resolution every year, and that is to beat our number of consecutive living days. So, you know, as long as we break even, I guess we're okay. Been a while, having a little trouble getting back in the swing of making videos again. So what are we going to make today? Well, next month in February is National Canned Food Month. And it kind of makes sense. It's tougher to get fresh food in January and February. So for the next few videos, we're going to focus on the primary ingredients being canned foods. I've been working on them for a while. I think I finally got them. Alright, so for today, we're going to make a salmon casserole, and we're going to make it with canned salmon. I know, delicious, right? So, okay, so let's just jump in there, just get started, right? Okay, plug in your lunchbox, preheat it, but not just your lunchbox. You're actually going to put water in it this time. We're going to do this in a water bath. So you're going to add about a cup of water. It doesn't have to be perfect, might need a little bit more, I'm guessing. And I'm going to go ahead and put my pan in there and let it start getting hot as well. Okay, so now you're going to need, I gotta get a bowl. Alright, let me get a bowl. Okay, get you a bowl. And you're going to take your salmon and you're going to drain it first. So let me get y'all down here. Is that better? Okay. So, drained salmon, so I've drained it, I'm just going to break it up a little bit. That's pretty good. Alright. And guess what? I'm going to give this to Paul. And it's rainy outside, and it's kind of cold. But he'll go dump it for me just because he loves me so much, right, Paul?
Yes, I do love you.
So, are you going to dump and clean this up for me?
I will dump that and clean it up in the rain for you.
Okay. Now, what we're going to do, get y'all back down. Alright. I guess I should get my drink out of the way. It's very good. It's actually not coffee. I'm drinking hot tea today. I'm drinking some Earl Grey tea. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is you need a can of cream style corn, and it needs to be cream style. Otherwise it's going to be too dry. Add your corn. 1 cup of sliced potatoes with the skin. You don't have to peel them, just wash them and slice them. 1 cup of cracker crumbs. You need 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Oh my gosh, that's a secret ingredient right there. That really brings out the oomph in it. 1/2 tablespoon of dill weed. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. And 1 egg. And the juice of 1/2 of a lemon, which is about 2 tablespoons. And that's, besides the egg, that's really about as fresh as I've got in there. So that's all done. And then you just mix it up really well. That's all there is to it. There we go. Done. Done, done, done. One thing I am going to do that I didn't actually think about. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the pan and just let it get hot. Just because it'll just give it a little bit of an added flavor. And olive oil's just like, it's very good for you. So I'm just going to let that get hot for a second. Alright, so let's see if that olive oil is hot. Yeah, it's hot. Didn't take very long, did it? Okay, pull that out. We're going to set that back down. Out of the way. Okay. Oh, sorry. Alright. So, there's just some olive oil in the pan. About 1 teaspoonful. It's just going to give it a little extra flavor. Dump everything in here. All right, now we're just going to cover it with some foil. And shabam. Now, we're just going to put this in the water bath, just like this. Make sure there's enough water. Yep, you want the water to come about halfway up. So, and that's it. And we're just going to bake it for an hour. Okay, we'll be back in an hour. All right, we're back. It's been like, probably like an hour and maybe 5 minutes or something. I mean, I don't know. We're not perfect with the time, I guess. So let's give this a check and see how it's doing. Ah, hot. Okay. Whew, it's hot. Look at that. That looks really good. It doesn't take much to cook. The salmon is pre-cooked, so it's just mostly cooking the potatoes. Once those are done, it's pretty well done. So now, I'm gonna serve it up. What I'm gonna garnish it with is dried parsley flakes. So I'm gonna get it served up. We're gonna get Paul back here. We're gonna see what he thinks. Hi, look who I found. Sitting up front, out of the rain. Can I show them my Christmas present?
Yes, you can.
Okay, y'all hang on because I'm gonna show you a Christmas present. Check that out. And it's got a really nice American flag. I got Charlie Daniels playing right now. But let me take the record off. Here, Paul. Okay. And ta-da. That was a Christmas present to me. So I love it. I brought it. We're listening to records while we're eating. But I guess not while we're recording. But once we're done recording, we'll be listening to more records. All right. So, he's just going to dig right in.
I'm just going to dig right in.
He's going to dig right in. It's really good. You could do it. Like, hi, Hobbs.
Hi, Hobbs.
Okay. We love your channel.
This is good.
I'm full. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Look at her. She's still eating. Mine is gone.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time. She says one of these things. That means bye. I gotta get in that kiss.
Go ahead, right there. Bye, y'all.
Peace, everybody.